Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that can arise when embedding Python in a C++ program. The problem stems from a pesky attribute error that pops up when calling a Python script that imports both third-party and standard library modules. The error claims that the ABC module has no attribute __file__, causing confusion and frustration for the programmer. Interestingly, running the same script in a standalone Python environment works like a charm, making the situation even more baffling. Even after compiling Python from source with specific configurations, the issue persists on Ubuntu 22.04.43. Now let's talk solution. A clever workaround involves manually adding the file attribute to the modules in question. By doing this, the attribute is set explicitly and resolves the problem at hand. It's a curious fix, considering the default behavior, or lack thereof, in setting the file attribute. Nevertheless, this method proves effective in ensuring a smooth operation of the embedded Python script. In summary, today we explored a perplexing problem that occurs when embedding Python into a C++ program. The attribute error regarding the file attribute of certain modules can be resolved by manually setting the attribute. While the root cause remains elusive, this workaround does the trick. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!